Alright, so this is going to be a cold start video. Kind of crowded in here. It's cold out. I don't feel like going out. So this has been sitting for 24 hours. So I would consider that a cold start. He wants you to put it on the floor, use your foot, but I'm not going to do that. I'm going to pull the choke, turn the switch on, decompression switch, I'm going to push that. Once it starts, you take the choke, you push it in. Got the nice idle. Worked out pretty good. Started right up. It's very oily. Drops a lot of oil, so I have to clean that up. But I mean, that was pretty damn good. What did it start on the third pull? All right, end the video.